That's me, Sputnik 1 here, and today I'll be doing my first installment in SCP readings. If you guys want to have your say in it, you can submit SCPs in the description, the comment section below. So anyways, let's get started. Item number SCP-1038, Object Class Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-1038 is to be kept in a locked storage container within Site-17. Audio/video department with keypad combination in possession of research director, due to nature of object's effects, O5 level approval has to be granted for SCP-1038's non-experimental recreational use on a weekly basis for all site personnel on Fridays from 1930 to 22:30 hours using previously tested content. Description: SCP-1038 is an audio-visual cable measuring 6.096 meters in length, with both ends terminating 3 standard RCA connector plugs, color-coded for composite video and stereo audio. There's no markings on the connectors or cable to indicate the manufacturer or further specifications of the cable. The cable's properties manifest when it's plugged into a television monitor and a media player, VCR, DVD, streaming media device, etc. While the device plays the selected content, the television will set the display the best that we can describe as an alternate reality version as of 11/23/2011. SCP-1038 has displayed content from blank distinct realities. He's referred to Addendum 1038-B for a brief experiment study. The summary, which by the means of which the effect is generated is unknown. Tests have shown no anomalous power draws from the connected devices, area radiation, or data expunged. SCP-1038 appears to exhibit awareness regarding the information and being passed through it. It should be selected content that does not exist in the alternate reality the cable connects to. SCP-1038 will instead play a closest match and VHS recording of a football game might instead show a gladiatorial fight at the same time. The object will also only ever show an alternate version of the particular medium. All DVD copies of a film will play the same alternate, which is turned different from VHS copies of the movie. It's unknown if it's a sign of intelligence or if the data already exists on the storage media. Addendum 1038-A Recovery Report. SCP-1038 came to the attention of the Foundation after SCP-1038 blank. Incident at redacted elementary school in blank blank or I don't know abbreviations. In which Mrs. Blank attempted to show a recording of Cable in the classroom documentary to her first grade class. Recorded documentary was about the Great Period, but the viewed content was data expunged. During this issuing arrests, firings, and lawsuits, Foundation agencies took custody of the EV equipment used in the incident. Component testing revealed only SCP-1038 showed anomalous properties. Purchase of the cable was not recorded by any district expense reports. Addendum 1038B Partial Experimentation Log. Medium VHS Contents Strengthen list results. SCP-1038 was plugged not into a television but a recorded device. Recording output did not deviate anyway from the film. We have run this experiment several times with different media players and media with the same results. We are now confident that the object requires connection to a TV to view the alternate Dr. Blank research DAR. Medium VHS content History of the World Part 1 Results. A documentary apparently closely in line with our own history due to seriousness of the film. Part 1 only covers the dawn of the Neolithic, test determined after 92 minutes when the VHS tape stopped. Alternate version was in the middle of a segment explaining Neolithic agriculture. Media DVR recording device provided by Research Assistant Blank. Content 2010 NNCA Football National Championship. Results complete the football game, but featuring schools data expunged. A portion of the halftime show reveals that the team were using a playoff format. Medium DVD/RW. Content recording of children playing at redacted park, confiscated from Agent Blank. Results: children playing around a statue of Blank. Press play on the base calls him hierarchical radical purity. The fuck? Medium previous tests are the. Yeah, this is just practically the same shit. Bye. Medium DVD content: a box set of season 1 and 2 of Sliders. The fuck is that? Result: no changes depending as frame by frame analysis pending. Medium DVD RW content: collection of footage of Earth and our position in the universe, overlaid with greetings in all unknown languages similar to the golden records carried by the Voyager probes. Results: apparently similar message of approximately 2,000 verbal greetings. The only languages recognized are Usklik, what is possibly Proto-Mazonan, Old Chinese, Hiti, Frizzle. Individuals that seen in the footage appear to be data expunged. Permission for further communication of attempts pending. I like that one. So this was SCP-1038. So we still have time. I can show you a picture of it. Don't trust me, I purposely did this since it's going to be on the ground most of the time. But since we had time, I guess I can show you a picture. Bye.